And I'm going to show you how to achieve a spray-on finish by using the right roller and paint for your repainting project. Now, after the paint has been brushed on, you take the fine roller and smooth it out. That gives it a real smooth finish, and you won't see any brush strokes at all. And it almost looks like it's spray painted. So again, just roll it with a real fine roller and it smooths it out. We're going to use the same roller technique on all wall cabinets and base cabinets also. Two of the doors by the window, and I want to show you with the light coming in from the window. You can see that the doors look real smooth. This paint has excellent lay down characteristics where it smooths out while it's drying and produces an excellent finish. Okay, we used this Sherwin-Williams Extreme Block Primer. It's oil based, so we wiped the cabinets down. We didn't have to sand them, and then we applied one coat of this primer. Okay, the top coat we used is a Sherwin-Williams Emerald. It's a urethane enamel. It lays down real smooth. This is an excellent paint. You don't have to fight fumes like you would if you were using an oil-based paint. It'll dry in about 4 hours, so you're able to get 2 coats on in one day. It's very durable. We wipe down these cabinets all the time, and we haven't had any problem with the paint at all. It is kind of expensive. It's going to run you about $85 per gallon, but it's much better than any other oil-based paint that you buy in the big box stores. This paint is what makes the difference and allows you to get the quality job and the smooth finish that you're looking for. These are the rollers we're using. They're from Sherwin-Williams. We're using the 1/4 nap in order to get a smooth finish. We were so pleased with the quality of the kitchen cabinets that we moved to the living room and redid the cabinets there too. You can see the old brown cabinets repainted to the bright white emerald paint. Came out real good. It's a very bright white, gives you a very clean look. We really love the new cabinets. Here's a final shot of the kitchen cabinets. Please like if you enjoyed the video. Also consider subscribing to our channel if you want to see other remodeling and fix-it projects. Thanks again for watching.